Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video I'm walking you around a completely custom sound system that we've upgraded on a Generation 1 Audi R8. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen this before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's get into it. So this customer didn't want to settle with the stock Bang & Olufsen system and decided to go for an audio system. This was all decided in an audio consultation where I sat down with the customer and we went through everything step by step. We designed it, spec'd it, and then we've done the install, and now we are here today. In terms of the system that we've gone for is a Audison Voce front end, basically scrapping that Bang & Olufsen system, getting rid of some of the speakers in the vehicle and actually lowering the number of speakers but increasing the actual volume in the vehicle, but also the clarity that we've got going in, plus a load of bass, which we'll talk through later on. In terms of the clarity, customers after kind of a stock look, so what we've done is using the Audison Voce tweeter into a stock location up top. Then what we've done is also replace the 6.5-inch driver in the door with the Audison Voce set. So we've got an Audison Voce front end, and that's running what's called fully active, which we'll run through shortly. In terms of the acoustic soundproofing in the door, you may be asking, what is soundproofing? You've heard this word floating about, depending on whoever your installer is, but you would have heard this on the internet as well. Soundproofing is very, very key to a good install. Basically, inside this door, we've done a hell of a lot of acoustic soundproofing. Basically, what it does is three key things, really. It reduces your actual resonation that you're getting from your factory door. Also builds a far better acoustic environment for your new sound system to work in, but also gets rid of some of that road noise that nobody really wants. So that's basically all acoustically treated in this door. So it's now performing really nicely. It's really solid in there now. And also we've not got any of those horrible rattles as well. That's basically acoustically soundproofed in the door, and that's all as a stock look. Customers after having a actual radio upgrade in the car, which have also carried out using the Kenwood DMX8020, we're using our custom fascia panel here as well. We're doing a separate video on that, which is already live on our YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss anything else from it. In terms of that, it's a really nice solution. That's all about functionality, but the sound in the vehicle, this is all powered off what's called a Hertz Mille Power 5 amplifier, a really nice solution that fits in a stock location again behind the actual sub box that we've gone for in this occasion. Completely custom sub box, and we've integrated that Mille Power 5 amplifier into the build, removed the Bang & Olufsen amplifier and replaced that in exactly the same place with the Hertz amplifier. What's that? It's a 5-channel amplifier basically running what's called a system that's fully active. Gives us more control over the system running fully active, and it's always our go-to solution. In terms of what we're doing, the 5 channels are basically 1 and 2 are running the tweeters, 3 and 4 are running the drivers in the door, and then 5th channel is running the sub. The sub, moving on to that very nicely, is actually the Audison 8-inch Prima sub. It's a completely custom sub enclosure that we've built fully in-house. Everything is done completely here. The trimming of it, every single element of it. It's been absolutely lovely to work on cars like this, and what we've upgraded with is that 8-inch sub, providing loads of bass between the 2 seats, however in a really nice subtle way. We've put a little bit of a curve onto the sub just to give it a little bit more of a feel. However, went for a carpet look to basically match the rest of the vehicle. It blends in the car so nicely. If you weren't told it was there, you literally wouldn't really be able to notice it. If you're looking through between the seats, you see the factory pocket that's been retained, and then we've also added in the 8-inch sub just above it in between those seats. In terms of what we've done is actually built the whole panel around factory bolt positions, around the ability to remove the whole system and actually revert it back to stock whenever we like, with zero damage done to the vehicle. In terms of the sound of the vehicle, I've just been sitting there tuning the vehicle as well. It sounds phenomenal. Having that little bit more bass in the vehicle makes such a difference, and plus we've got the entertainment now, functionality live directly on that head unit. In terms of also what we've done is actually built the system around factory brackets and positions, so literally this install will actually come with an instruction manual in essence, how to remove that sub box, because there are serviceable items underneath that area that needs to be worked on by the manufacturer. So we've written a little instruction manual that makes it easy for them to work on the car, or anyone to work on the car, future-proofing the install to actually allow actual access to that panel where serviceable items are. So everything is thought about in an incredible amount of detail, but overall we're really happy with the overall sound. I've got a little bit more tuning to do, but overall, I'm really happy with it, and the customer's going to be collecting the car very shortly, and I'm sure they're going to be over the moon with the finished product. And this vehicle is actually going to be displayed on Goodwood at one of their events to actually highlight the install, but also the car as well. So if you are interested in anything like this, you know exactly what to do. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. We're more than happy to go through everything in a bit more detail. However, best thing you guys can do is book an audio consultation, come by and see us. We'll give you a full workshop tour, show you what's going on around in our unit, but also go through design spec and then install your new sound system. So thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.